everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove background noises from your microphone in Windows 11. So let's get started. So for that, first of all, go to the bottom right hand side corner of the taskbar and then simply click on sound. Now tap on sound settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and then simply tap on more sound settings. Now here you'll see your microphone listed. Right click on your microphone and then select properties. Now click on level tab and then reduce the microphone level to around 89. This often helps reduce background noises and distortion. Now next go back to advanced tab and just like that you have to make sure allow application to take exclusive control of this device is unchecked. After that, simply tap on apply, then tap on OK. Now, if the background noise is still there, close the settings menu and then open the start menu and then inside the search button, simply search for Realtek Audio Console. And if you already don't have this app installed, you can download it for free. Once it opens up, click on your microphone and if you see an option for noise suppression, make sure it's turned on and enabled. Keep in mind that this option is only available for certain microphones, so you may not see it on all systems. After enabling noise suppression, your microphone background noises should be significantly reduced. This should fix buzzing, static, or general background noises issue in Windows 11. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.